I caught one of your men in my lab, Jose Ramsey. To what end did you send him?
I sent no one. Jonathan, let me show you the machine, and then you will see.
Seeing a machine is not going to make me believe in blasphemy.
Time has not changed you.
Go home, Kat. Consider my offer, but don't ask again for my core.
I'm not here to ask. I will have your core. The only thing undecided is whether you will give it to me or if I must take it.
We've created a world here. There are families now, children, a whole generation.
And if I succeed, they will never have been born.
I, too, wish that the plague had never happened. The great minds lost your daughter, my wife. But equally, I mourn the loss of who you might have been. I would so have loved to have seen her instead of this.
And very soon, you will.